Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. More money was earned for the mining sector. In fact, Jamaica doubled its export earnings from mining and quarrying for the first 10 months of 2023 compared to the same period in 2022. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says the industry sent $473.3 million worth of goods overseas. That's compared to the $216.5 million made for the January to October 2022 period. The increased income was linked to a $250.2 million rise in earnings from alumina. Alumina earnings amounted to $395.7 million compared to $145.5 million for the same period in the previous year. The resumption of operations at Jamaica and Clarendon after a fire also positioned the country to ramp up mining-related activities. The value of bauxite exports, however, declined by 8.2%, which amounted to $57.8 million. To some more from Scotia's Q1 earnings, the financial company says it realized a 10.7% growth in its assets for the first quarter ended January. The group's asset base grew by $64.2 billion, reaching $665.9 billion Jamaican dollars. The financial institution says this was mainly due to growth in its loan portfolio of $40.8 billion, or 17%. Scotia also realized higher cash resources of $36.3 billion and higher carrying value of retirement benefits assets of $3.6 billion. The group says the performance was offset by a reduction in pledged assets or assets used to secure a debt or loan of $11.3 billion. Let's head to the foreign currency market now. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.95. The Canadian is going for $115.80. The pound is selling for $198, while the euro is trading for an average $171.50. And finally, the JSE index gained 1,493 points today, while the junior market index increased by 7 points. Among the 51 winners were Pulse Investments, Wigton Wind Farm, Blue Power Group, Siboney Group, and VM Investments. The 37 losers were led by T-Tech, JMMB Group 7.25%, VR Preference Shares, Trans-Jamaican Highway, Margaritaville Turks, and Epley. 20 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading today. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.